If it looks like I'm looking away from you guys, it's because everything is happening on a secondary screen and the camera is right there. Well, webcam, whatever. Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video is more or less a repeat of how to go live on Facebook, but showing you specifically for YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. Just like before, if you do not have OBS downloaded already, you can go to obsproject.com and click the download tab. Select the platform and hit download installer. So to go live on YouTube, you will come over to your YouTube account. Once you are logged in, come over to your Creator Studio. You'll then go over to live streaming. Then down below you have your stream name / key, and you will copy that, and then over in OBS you'll come over to your settings, go to stream, select YouTube. Then you will want to paste your stream key from YouTube into OBS, then click OK. Okay, so I just had some issues where, because I just redid the Facebook Live video, I actually had to reveal my stream key and then copy paste it into my stream settings. Before I hit start streaming, I'm going to give this a name. Then I can change the privacy and whatnot. I basically fill in all the information. You can change the thumbnail if you so desire. I could if I wanted to, but I don't usually do a lot of live streams, so. Once you have all that set up, you can hit start streaming. Starting. Yeah, and my Wi-Fi is not the best at home. Oh, great. That's the amount of delay I have on. Great. Anyway, once you have all that set up and you can see yourself in this window, then you are now live on YouTube. And then you can also see your stream health. So anyways, that basically shows how you go live on YouTube. To end the live stream, you can just click stop streaming over in OBS. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up. You can click near the microphone to subscribe to the respective channels, and you can click right over here to see my previous video. And as always, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!